Hey guys, we're playing Lions Pride, and I'm gonna be showing you how to edit your characters, just like this one was edited. Oh, sorry about that. So let's use one of my newer ones for example, Bright like. So you see how she looks kind of classic right now? Well, the main thing you could do is add some accessories and add some things. Also, try to add patterns and make it look cute. I don't know. You know what? It helps. It adds some kind of twist. Try to add fur. Where is the... As you can see, it already looks a bit better. No. Try to add some fuzzy things. Now I have all of the things, but you can pick. Really? Can I gift someone? No, of course not. I just wanted to look because I was bored. I usually prefer to use shorter tails, so if you can use any short tail, like the lynx tail is pretty short. I use short tail from the deer pack. Well, if you want to hear the actual thing, it's reindeer bundle, but I call it deer pack. You can add some more accessories, like I was saying. You can pretty much do anything you want, practically. I don't really see the horns, so we're not going to use that. Also, if you can't, see your accessory, then don't use it, please. Don't. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to explain to you why, but you should know why, okay? I'm just adding extra horns because I generally think that looks cool. Let me see. Tiny snow pile? What is it? You can't really tell it's there, but it definitely would look cool, probably. Well, I don't know. Okay. Wait, I could actually do something. Maybe make it a bit more pink because you can't really tell. No, like the, no, oh, it changed color. You know, that's simple, you know, I like it. Whew. No. Oh, no. No, not like it, no. Let's see, anything, cookie, no. I want to do this, kinda, but I don't feel like that'd really work in that case. Horns, yeah, no, the horns aren't gonna work. Round glasses? Glasses would look funny. Can I paint it? Oh, I can. That honestly looks kind of cute. I wish I could add something in the back. That's head accessories. Oh, the saddle. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Saddle. So you could do one of the colors this, and then color picker do the white fur and that, and then it kind of looks cute. You could kind of, well, yeah, I don't know. Let's just see how it looks in the light first of all, because I'm not sure. I need to see how it. Okay, whoa, something is deeply wrong, and I know what it is. Let's go fix the head. So I think the mistake I made was when I was in mains. Where's the mains? Oh, that's hair. Mane. Take away shaggy mane. Let's finish it. See how it looks now. Because you always want to see like a perspective of how it looks. Honestly, cute. I think it's definitely a glow up from what we originally had. I could definitely. Oh wait. Glow down. Maybe. Hold up. I need to fix something. No. Oh my goodness. Maybe just do white. Fixes everything, bro. Paintbrush. Now we could just fix this. It's pretty easy to fix some things. Yeah. Everything's good. Everything? Yeah. I think we're okay. There might have been some little issues, but we definitely fixed it. Okay, yeah. I can imagine it. Okay. Let me go save it, and then, yeah, that's just gonna be your example. Right? And also, you could change it over here on that. Well, bye guys, and that's how you edit your character or change it.